Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be mixing all my oils together to create a hair mask, and then I'm going to apply it on my hair and then show you guys the results. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. And more importantly, I have videos like this coming out on my channel a lot because I've been really into testing and trying out new things for my hair. So if you're curious to see what kinds of things work on your hair, subscribe and click on the little bell button. That way you'll never miss out on another video and you're always notified every time I upload, which is weekly. And let's get started. I'm gonna start off with coconut oil, which is my favorite oil for hair, and I'm just gonna put a little tiny spoonful in there. Next, I'm going in with a little bit of apricot oil, and if you guys are interested in any of the oils that I'm using, I will link everything down below for you guys to find easily. Next, I'm going in with some carrot oil, which is really good for your hair as well. Now, I'm not measuring anything. I'm kind of just eyeballing it and putting however much I feel like. Next, I'm going to be adding some rosehip seed oil, which is also very good for your hair. I'm going to add about 2 pumps. Next oil is almond oil. This is my second favorite oil to use on my hair. It is a very non-greasy oil, so I'm going to just slather on a lot of that in there. Next is another one of my favorite oils, which is black Jamaican castor oil. Now I'm going to drop a few drops of that in there. And the last oil I'm going to add in there is called tamanu oil. Now, if you guys are interested, I do have a series on my channel where I do 10 beauty benefits of different kinds of oils. So all of the oils that I just added into my hair mask, I do have like a 10 beauty benefits and 10 uses of those oils. But now I'm just going to mix this together and I'll be right back. Now, after heating my oil up just a bit, just to melt the coconut oil, this is what it looks like. It smells really good. Like the blend of all the oils together smells amazing. Now, I'm excited to try this out on my hair and then see what the results are. So let's go ahead and apply it on. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start applying it onto my hair. The oil does feel thick, of course, because I did put thick oils in here like castor oil. So this is going to be a messy, greasy hair mask. I do like to apply a lot of oil to the ends of my hair just because that is the driest part of my hair, and I do color my hair a lot, so the ends are pretty dead, and just to keep them from splitting and drying out even more, I do like to apply oil to the ends. I'm really curious to see how this oil is going to do on my hair, what kinds of things it's going to do to my hair. Now, I do know, I'm pretty certain that it's going to be a really good hair mask just because of the blend of all the oils. And all of these oils are super good for your hair. And if you guys are interested in like the benefits of each oil individually, I will link all of those down below. I do like to go in and put the oil onto my scalp because that is what promotes hair growth. It kind of reawakens follicles that are dry or dead or just don't produce hair anymore. This gets the blood circulation moving and flowing in your scalp. Okay, so I made a lot of oil. I think I added way too much to my mixture because I have a lot of oil left over. Like at this time, I feel like my hair is already completely saturated. I'm gonna leave this in for about 30 minutes just because it is so heavy and so thick of an oil mixture that if I leave it on too long, I feel like my hair is gonna get oily after I wash it off. So I'm only gonna leave this mixture on for about like 30 minutes. Okay, so now that all of my hair is saturated, like more than saturated, you guys can see it's wet with oil. Like if I touch it, I get oil onto my fingers. I'm gonna leave this mixture on for about 30 minutes and then wash it off, and then I'll come back and show you guys the results. So it is the next day. I washed my hair and air dried it and slept on it, and this is the next day. The results are actually really nice. If you guys have some oils laying around, your favorite oils, mix them all together and then put it on your hair because I feel like it does really good things for your hair. It made my hair really silky smooth, soft, shiny, like I can run my fingers through it. It just feels different. It feels really healthy and so much nicer than it was before. So this is a really fun way to mix up your oils and to try something new if you're getting tired of using the same oil all the time. Just mix them all together and you will not regret it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!